Hi guys! So I have a confession to make. I have a boyfriend. And today I want you guys to meet him. My boyfriend!
Hi.
So I'm here today with... Say your name.
Jordan.
Jordan! Oh, finally kasama ko na yung boyfriend ko sa video. And today, he is going to do my makeup. My boyfriend's going to do my makeup.
I'm so wet.
Hey!
Yeah, put this on her ugly face.
You don't say
I love
that.
you.
You don't say that to your girlfriend, boyfriend.
Close your eyes.
Mahal ka mo na ba ako?
Ew.
Huwag makapal, Jordan, ah. Alam mo namang mahal kita kasi nga, you're my boyfriend.
It sounds so creepy.
Pero you know, I like my face.
I don't like your face.
But you're my boyfriend, you're supposed to like it.
Wow, you're so pretty now.
Oh my gosh, I'm so pretty. Next, what's next?
This.
Ay, wow. Hindi ko nagagamit ng kulay ngayon.
Did you open your eyes? Open. Look at me.
Ay. Jordan, where did we first meet?
We met in our sophomore class.
Sophomore. And what did you think about me?
You're so noisy.
My first impression, let's just say, don't sing na lang. Don't sing na
There you
lang.
I have a pretty great voice. I'm a singer. Yeah.
You know I love you, but that's not the thing that I love about you.
How dare you?
Where was our first date? Sa kantin.
Yeah.
Sa kantin.
Pretty much.
Binilhan mo ako ng ano? Ng pulboron. Ng durian yung flavor.
Binila na din kita ng tubig.
Tapos, nung dance night, hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Sinayaw mo ba ako na dance night?
I think so, yes.
Saan ba ako ka ni Jordan yung from?
She looks like a princess and I look like a prince.
Aww. Our anniversary is on 31st of October. Have we ever kissed?
No, we're too young.
Yes, we're too young. We're not ready for that.
Could you close your eyes?
Mahali ka muna ako.
Come on.
Oh my gosh, Jordan! Like, can you see the powder here?
Yes. Then so many fall out.
Because I don't use that much. Oh my god! Like, can you see? Like, tingnan mo. Guys, our date.
Yeah, our first date
Our
together.
first date. We look drunk. Who's your favorite one, Demon?
He left.
Hindi na kasama yun, syempre, di ba? He left nga eh.
Louie.
Oh, my sorry. Oh, Larry.
That's why we're perfect
Wait,
together.
Jordan, is that a hickey?
Oh my gosh, why did you reveal?
Wala ko eyeliner na.
I'm gonna do your brows, but I don't know how.
Don't do it if you don't know. Oh my gosh, wag na, tama na. Goodness, Jordan!
I don't know what I'm doing.
Ang pangit, Jordan. Ay, hindi spread yan. Huwag mo rin! Huwag mo rin! Can you see it?
Wait.
Can you see it?
Can you see how full your brows are?
Oh, it's nice! That's actually nice, Jordan! I haven't done that! Hindi ko siya ngayon lagay dyan sa taas kasi ang kapal niya talaga. It's nice. This is the closest you've ever been.
What, closer?
We'll do it for the camera. Oh my god! And my eyes look pretty!
Your brows also look pretty.
My brows do not look pretty. But my eyes do. Babe, tama na. Ang tagal natin. Mata ko pa lang.
Of course. I'm making you extra pretty so that I'll fall even further.
Oh! Fun fact, Jordan makes poems and sometimes he makes poems for me.
Yes, I do.
Oh, you look so pretty now.
You still love me after this, don't you?
Yes, of course. I will always love you. Ano
Let
yan?
me contour your face.
No.
Please.
No.
Just for once.
I don't even contour my face.
Please.
Kanina lang videos na pinapanood mo.
Sa'yo lang babe, syempre.
2,000 years later.
Here is the finished product.
I'm so sweaty right now.
Ay, wala pa tayong ginagawa. What I like the most are my eyes. My eyebrows
Your eyebrows are so
eyebrows are-
on point.
really on point. I look like Alfie. Like Alfie. Never naging makapal yung eyebrows ko ng ganito.
But I made them
But yeah,
look thicker.
But it's okay because you made them and you know I love you. So I forgive you even though I look...
Your eyes look so pretty.
Ah!
I'm actually impressed by what I did.
Oh, you're so sweaty. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's because we're so close together.
Wow.
Ah! Last question, do you love me?
So much.
Oh. So that is it for this week's video, guys. Hope you like it. Hope you like my face now. I'm so pretty. Thanks to this guy. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you think about me. About my look. And also watch G and Sejanina's videos. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!